All right, this one right here, we're trying to find the time that it'll take, if we was to put $5,000 in the bank for it to triple, in other words, to go to $15,000 at a rate of 7% interest, and it's compounded quarterly. So we want to know T, we don't know how long in years. We would use the formula, the amount equals principal times 1 plus R over K raised to the KT. And we're solving for that T. We plug everything else in. All right, so we have our principal. We're putting in $5,000. Times 1 plus the rate. The rate is 7%. We have our decimal 2 places. We have 0.07 divided by K is the times it's compounded per year. Quarterly would be 4 times. Raised to the 4t. For it to triple would be 3 times that, which is $15,000. When we divide this out, 15,000 divided by 5,000, we end up with 3. Equals 1 plus 0.07 divided by 4 raised to the 4t. Now we have an unknown exponent. The way we get this down is we take the logarithm or the natural logarithm of both sides. So if we ln this side, we need to also ln this side. To isolate this t all by itself, we need to divide this side by 4 and ln 1 plus 0.07 divided by 4 on both sides. Once we put this in the calculator, we should end up, or you should end up with 15.83. Now that's not the final time. We know the 15 stands for my years. So we're good there. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to erase a little bit here. So we have 15 years. If we want to find out what that 0.83 is, there's 12 months in a year. Once we multiply that together, we should end up with 9.96. Now it does this every 3 months or quarterly, so at 3 months, at 6 months, at 9 months, and a little bit past 9 months. So it's actually not going to roll back over again until the 12th month, which will make this now 16 years. Make sure you go through all your steps on this. Make sure you get your right answers right here. Check back with me if you have any other questions. But this is for finding time. The only time that you'll use logarithms on these is if you're looking for something right here. Every other time we can just solve it. All right?